Are your parents getting a little bit older? Well, as they get older, they feel the cold more. Well, winter time is coming, and if your folks live on a house with a timber floor, well, now is the perfect time to do the right thing for them and get them some underfloor insulation. Why use underfloor insulation? Well, without underfloor insulation, the temperature of your floor is going to be the same as the temperature outside. And with underfloor insulation, the temperature of your floor becomes the temperature inside. The difference is a massive improvement in comfort, and you're going to use a lot less energy. Now, you only want to do this once, so you want to use the best possible material available, and that's polyester. It's in large part made from recycled plastic bottles. It comes in great big rolls, so it's easy to handle under the floor. And it's human friendly, but rodents hate it. It's not damaged by water, it doesn't burn, it's just a great product to work with. And it's easy to install. Simply squeeze between the joists and staple in place for a long-lasting job. It's a great DIY product, available from the ecomasterstore.com.au. I've even made comprehensive videos guiding you through the installation process so you can buy with complete confidence. So click on the button below and grab yourself your underfloor insulation packs.